extraordinary.
Yeah, spectacular work.
I love the statue. It's beautiful.
Well, we were all oohing and eyeing a few moments ago at the sunset. That was just incredible.
Spectacular.
Lots of pictures already coming into the galleries, so if you didn't happen to see it, KSL.com. Earlier today, the thick clouds moving in and bringing a change. The winds were blowing, and that was clearing out all of the haze and the smog in the valley, and temperatures were warming up more than 10 degrees above normal today. Little Dell Reservoir in the background along the Wasatch Front. Okay, let's talk football. San Diego State and Utah tomorrow, 2 p.m. Mostly cloudy, some snow showers. Be prepared. Northwest winds 8 to 18. Temperatures in the 30s with wind chills in the 20s. So go Utah. Air Force at BYU tomorrow, 1:30 p.m. Cloudy with some flurries. Again, those north winds. Temperatures at game time about 40, dropping to 36. Wind chills in the 20s. Bundle up. We will not have a snow bowl like we did last week on the Weber State campus, but there will be some snow showers. Cal Poly at Weber State, 12 p.m. Northwest winds will be 8 to 18 miles per hour, and again, those wind chills a bit on the cold side. Temperatures were quite variable around the region today. Montpelier 40, while Brigham City was 46. Look at these nighttime lows, teens and 20s, but the afternoon highs ranging from 57 in Salt Lake City to 60 in Cedar City, St. George, 64, as we are in the warm before the storm sector of this system. It was 59 in Reno before the front went through, winds and snow, and now it's in the 30s. The front between Reno and Winnemucca right now, and typically we time those fronts about 10 hours from Winnemucca before they arrive along the Wasatch Front. So here's the first storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. There's the cold front that we're talking about. That will be here tomorrow about sunrise. The second storm system out here in the Pacific, this one actually looks stronger, and it will be here Sunday between 2 and 5 p.m. So it's a 1-2 punch, and as you can see, the leading edge of showers already to the west of Elko. That will be here in the morning. It does not look like a big storm, but it's the warm before the storm tonight. 54 in Salt Lake City right now. A little bit colder in Vernal and Price, and on the eastern side where some inversions continue. Periods of heavy rain along the California coast as that storm moved into the Sierra, near blizzard conditions over Donner's Summit, and that storm, as I mentioned, marching towards the east. So we put the fronts into motion. We start with where the front is right now. Right there in California, it's kind of a split weather system, but as it works its way inland quickly tomorrow, periods of snow, especially across the northern third of Utah. And look at this second front. Watch where it will be tomorrow, late tomorrow night into Sunday. That means the leading edge of snow will be here in the afternoon Sunday, and this one looks colder, it looks wetter, it looks stronger, so there will be some snow Sunday night and Monday morning. Around much of the state, though, a lot of clouds. A few showers in the Uintas and around the Wasatch Plateau and the southern Wasatch Mountains. The eastern, southeastern side of the state, dry with increasingly cloudy skies. Windy across the west, 46 in Beaver, 48 in Cedar City. So a colder day tomorrow. With the front moving through, the winds will be gusty and shifting throughout much of the day. 59 in St. George tomorrow, 60 on Sunday. Clouds, but no rain here. No snow in the mountains as well. And traveling to Grandma's house Tuesday, Wednesday, it looks good. Focusing on the Wasatch Front. In the morning, the front moves through between about 6 and 10 a.m. The snow will start, especially Salt Lake City north to Ogden and Logan. It will last until the early afternoon and then peter out later in the day. And then the second front moves in Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. Monday's a colder day with a little bit of snow maybe for the morning commute. After that, traveling on Tuesday and Wednesday into Thanksgiving Day. Looks good not only here, but throughout much of the western United States.
Oh, that's very good news for a lot of families.
Yeah, good travel.